What's up, guys? Welcome back to 369 Garage. I'm having a terrible time filming my introduction video because, man, I've never been on camera before, so this is very difficult. Anybody starting YouTube can relate, I can imagine. So currently I'm setting up to drive out to Phoenix, Arizona in my S13 coupe LS2 T56 car. It's a drift car, drag car, daily. Full street car, all steel. Gonna go find out what FuelFest is all about. Never been. A friend of mine is driving in the event and I want to document the journey. Here's the car. It's an 89 240SX coupe. Probably shouldn't be driving it. 1,700 miles round trip. It's on full suspension, all PBM. Stance coilovers. Looks stock, but far from it. Lots of history with this car, many dents from drift events, tapping walls, all out call out. That's a local drag racing event that happens here in New Mexico. This thing has been ultra reliable. I just put a new exhaust. Factory interior, factory seat belt still. Does have an S14 seat in it currently because I broke the original seat that was in it. Everything works on it. Speedo. Factory radio, factory speakers, they are terrible. Definitely need to be upgraded. But it was dumped. The exhaust was dumped right underneath the car where the white pipe was at. And this thing was just too loud. So a buddy of mine lent me an exhaust to make it more streetable. So now it's tapping on my bumper and making a little bit of noise. That's kind of annoying. But it sounds nice. And I'm not choking on exhaust fumes inside the car. See if I can get this hood open. Gotta give it the tap. Mandatory tap. So a little rundown on the drivetrain in this. This was a factory LS2 out of a 2006 GTO with 41,000 miles on it. It's just factory cam, factory long block. Factory T56 with ISR high ground clearance headers. That's actually the intake that came out of the GTO. I was able to make that fit with that, I don't know, 30-degree coupler. Chase phase radiator. What else? ISR Y pipe, Sicky mount kit, Sicky oil pan. But it's very reliable. Built it about 4 years ago, maybe going on 5. It's done many drift events, drag strip events, and it's gonna hit the street. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
In 2 miles, use the right lane to take exit 55 AZ toward Phoenix.
Scottsdale! Yeah! Okay, drifters, I know what you're about.
That's the whole point. Oh, yeah, there you go. What year is your E46?
All right, now, in just a few moments, we're going to bring two very important icons of Scottsdale here on stage, just in the next few moments. So if you guys want to make your way over to the Yokohama Gila River main stage, we're going to have Greg Jackson, which is a mountain maker, and then of course, Cody Walker. Let's make some noise, Scottsdale.
Motherfucking carbon wheel, Jesus Christ.
Make some noise. FuelFest has raised over $380,000 for charity, and that's on behalf of you guys being a part. Check out that throttle app. If you guys are looking for a car show or want to really connect with the car community, make sure you guys check out Throttle. Now, Throttle's also doing raffles on the top of every hour at the Throttle booth, so make sure you head over there and get yourself in there to win some prizes. But also make sure you check out that app. I know what it's like when you want to look for a car show or something to do. Use that Throttle app, and there's a lot of great information on there to link up with other like-minded individuals. Also, O'Reilly Auto Parts, the one-stop shop for anything automotive. Thank you, O'Reilly's. And of course, Shelby. There's a lot of people here that are spectators.
sucks nuts.
G35s in GTA. If you just need to buy cameras, that was it. And can you put those just 75 some of the shots? I'll pick up 232. Here comes that Dodge Durango.
Thanks for watching. That was Arizona. Subscribe.
No.
No, no, dude. You would. I know.
No, you did good.